Today I like to present to you our volcano. Hi, Toki.
Hi, May.
I don't understand about volcano. Can you tell me?
Oh, sure.
Good. Okay. Let's begin about what are volcano.
Okay. Volcanoes are mountains that open downward to the Earth's surface. They include the surrounding cone of built-up material. They are placed on the Earth's surface or any other planet or moon surface, where molten rock, gas, and pyroclastic debris erupt through the Earth's crust. Molten rock in volcano is called magma, and magma erupting from volcanoes are called lava. Volcanoes vary quite a bit in their structures.
Oh wow! How are volcano form? You know?
Oh, I know. Okay. The Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called plates, which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates sometimes move. Volcanoes are formed when magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. At the surface, volcano erupts to form lava flows and ash deposits. When volcano continues to erupt, it will get bigger and bigger.
Oh, it's very interesting. Oh, good.
Thank you. We understand about volcano. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.